What's up, y'all? Jumping right into the video. Y'all already know today's video is in collaboration with Unice. Look at y'all, my makeup. Okay, stop and stare, because baby, I did that. Okay. Anywho, of course, Unice is one of my, I want to say go-to companies when it comes to U parts, V parts, and clip-ins, just simply because it's dependable. I know that the hair is definitely going to be what is shown on the website, all that good stuff. They're always going to give you a ton of goodies. The box, nine times out of 9, it's probably going to be a little beat up, but that's okay. I'm going to charge it to the game just simply because of shipping. You guys can see this is a V-part unit. There is lace, which is amazing because if for any reason you need to cut to make that part a little bit deeper, y'all know I got a big forehead, so the part that they give me is perfect. But if you are not like me and you do need a little bit more space, go ahead and cut that. Comes with clips, combs. You guys can see this kinky curly 24-inch, if I'm not mistaken, 24 or 26. All the details will be listed down in my description box below. This is given very much 3B, 3C. I'm not gonna say 4A because I'm more of a, well, y'all be trying to tell me I'm not even 4C. I'm like, y'all, what do I have then? Like, what? Anyway, so of course it does come with the clips, which are more like the wig comb clips. Well, I said the wig comb. Okay, so you got the wig comb clips, but then there also are the clip-in clips, which I appreciate because they actually keep it really snug. You guys can see that the wig is actually adjustable. It has a little bit of stretch, and I decided to just do some cute chunky braids, which is hilarious because as soon as I did these in my hair, Trey was like, I like your hair like that. And I'm like, okay, well, thank you, boo, because this is just a base. Because where are we going looking like this? Stop playing. Okay. Anyway, I did go ahead and pre-twist my hair. So, of course, I parted my hair in a U, not a U part, but a V part. And, of course, I did actually go ahead and take a little bit of edge booster to do my actual braids and some pump it up to sleek down the baby hairs. I tied it down for probably about 30 minutes while I did my makeup. And then, of course, throwing on the wig is always super simple. So, go ahead and just pop open the clips, slide it directly where you want it to go, and clamp it down just like you would install a clip-in. It's the exact same way. Now, what I will say is if you are not somebody that wants to take this off every single day, every single night, you are for sure going to want to make sure that you do a legit braid down. You're going to want to make sure that you have an anchor braid, because if not, you are going to experience a ton of tension around your part area. So you don't want that because you will get a headache. It is going to hurt. Like, so for me, I did go ahead and kind of loosen the clips a little bit, meaning I pulled it down just a small bit. You guys won't notice it in this video just because, of course, I ended up only wearing this to go to a pool party for the day, took it off, put it back on the very next day. Like, it was that type of thing. So I'm never wearing the wig longer than maybe 6 hours, if I'm being completely honest. Like, I'm one of those girls that as soon as I get home, it's coming off. But you guys can see I had already had my hair pretty much pre-twisted out. So I just did like a flat twist with the edge control, and I put a perm rod on the end. Typically, I would use a foam roller. I just couldn't find them. But anyway, didn't make a difference. I literally am just taking my hair strand by strand and twisting it into the extensions. So I don't know if you guys have seen this method before, but this is like an OG YouTuber type of thing with blending curly hair so that you don't have to use a hot tool. Before I had heat damage, though, let me just say, the top of my hair, or at least this little section, because this is usually that section that's nice and got the weird looking curls, that's more of a wave and sometimes curly. Anywho, this would have blended in beautifully, but because I cannot help myself with these quick weaves and having all this leave out, okay, I have heat damaged my hair yet again, all right? So I'm having to, of course, do some other things to just kind of blend it a little bit, but you guys can see it's super easy, and especially because my hair is already pretty dark, it was pretty easy to blend, and y'all can look at how long it is on me. This is a kinky curly, so of course, once it shrinks up, it is going to kind of shrink. I'm 5'2", so it ended up hitting, what, a little bit below my bra strap, or a lot of bit below my bra strap. But anyway, I didn't have to do anything. You guys can see I didn't even use a comb, a brush, nothing, just my fingers to twist everything through. And then I felt like it needed a little refresh because it was kind of looking a little big. So I did go ahead and take just some distilled water, which has actually been my go-to. Filtered water, distilled water, we're here for it, okay? I use it for my plants. I'm using it on my skin, and I definitely notice a difference. Obviously, these are extensions, so it's not as big of a deal, but hey, do what you do, okay? You're spending your money, take care of the hair. These wigs should last you. If you are going to be wearing this every single day, the only thing you should ever have to replace is maybe a clip. It's no reason this shouldn't last. Of course, it's curly hair. Yes, you're going to get a little bit of shedding. It's not going to be anything that's going to be unmanageable, ridiculous, but you are going to want to make sure you have your little mousse, a little leave-in conditioner if you absolutely need it. This is just for my everyday wig wearers, right? But if you are not that person and you are more like me, you want to take it off and sleep comfortably and don't have to worry about the curls, definitely just go ahead and clip them clips off, twist your hair back into place, and you're good. Like, that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Okay. Now, of course, I wanted to show you guys another quick little style because this was super cute, but I ended up seeing another YouTuber. I cannot remember her name right now. I feel like it's a Yvette. Is it Yvette? I can't remember, and I hate it because if you type in Unice, like V part, she's gonna pop up. Beautiful girl, up and coming YouTuber, love her channel. I'll definitely make sure to like post her in my description if I can. Find the channel, which I should because she pops up all the time. So anyway, she had done this style and I was like, oh, okay, I gotta get into it. So obviously this is just a claw clip style, but I had never seen anybody do it with the V part. So this is my first time, and typically I don't like to put hair behind my ear because I don't know if you can see from here, my ears are kind of, I don't want to say small, but they definitely lay flat on my head, so it can kind of get a little uncomfortable. But the way that she did this is pretty much just pulled it up just like I did here, and of course, y'all, I'm using the mousse to kind of like smooth everything down in between time and undoing the edges. Like, what's happening? But yeah, so we just use a little hair tie, secure it at the back, which I know the process of the claw clip hairstyle, but just doing it with the V part, it did feel a little weird. Like, I didn't end up having to adjust the cap. It actually made me feel even more secure, if I'm being honest, just because, I mean, I had that tie in the back. I knew it wasn't going anywhere. So yeah, you can stop here if you want to. Go ahead and drench the hair down. I would apply like some type of, maybe a leave-in conditioner, so it's a little bit heavier if you do want that more of a wet look, or go into that claw clip hairstyle. Go ahead and put that little top half in a ponytail, and don't worry about the, you know, the sectioning being super like particular. You don't have to do that. It's not even gonna matter. Like, this was a very cute pull day hairstyle. I ended up going to, I think I went to the plant workshop for this one as well, so you guys will be able to see that on TikTok and Instagram. Make sure that you guys are following me there, and look at how flat, okay, baby, the blend, this is growing from my scalp. Who gonna tell me it's not? I dare you to. Okay, beautiful. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Of course, my final thoughts will be listed in the description box below. I'm gonna make sure I can get you guys a coupon code because this one is a keeper. You definitely need this in the collection. And y'all know, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye, babies.